Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through all of my goals for 2018 right here, guys. I'm going to basically read out all of my different goals, what have I achieved, what have I not achieved, and hopefully this will inspire anyone out there who maybe wants to start writing goals or take some inspiration from my goals or do whatever you wish with this information. So if you want to find out exactly what my goals were for 2018 and reveal all the spiel, then keep on watching. Alright, so just really quickly before we get started, this is a new little setup. I've never filmed a YouTube video like this, and this is normally the setup I have for when I take photos. So I've just been taking some photos for a new lash product, which I've been trialing out for like the last 2 months that I cannot announce yet, but bear with me guys. And I have to say, this is me with like only concealer, a primer, and that's it. And the serum. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, can you believe that this is my lash right now? Like, it's getting there, guys, because my lashes were terrible before. I'm not sure about this setup. Obviously, the background is a lot darker than normal, but I don't know. I'm kind of digging it today. So anyway, yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So every single year, what I tend to do is I will write out a list of different goals. Here, there's loads of scribbles, which is quite embarrassing. But yeah, there's a list of goals, and this is how I kind of write them out, okay? So there's a few steps that you have to do. So step 1 is to basically write out different goals on your notes, maybe on your phone, and really go for it. Like, don't be scared. Think about things that are very specific. So instead of saying, I want to go to the gym more, no. You need to say, I want to go to the gym once a week. And then what happens is at the end of the year, when you look at it, because you've set yourself a realistic goal, then you will have gone to the gym 52 times rather than 0. Because I know for a fact, if I put a goal like go to the gym, I'm never going to do that. So my goals mainly consist of different categories. I've got things on there such as career, I've got targets, I've got like saving stuff, I've got attitudes, I've got personal things that I want to do, maybe like things with my boyfriend or things with my family. So really try to think about different sectors of your life and not just one. And one of the ones that I really love the most out of all of them probably is attitudes or like habits, because these are really like easy, cool ways of like getting an idea into your head and then following through throughout the whole year. So this is very open, like it's kind of scary that I'm like just being this honest with you and just spilling out. Also, I always have a odd number of goals. It's just a superstitious like luck factor that I have in my head that if it's a odd number, then it's apparently luckier. But that's just something I totally made up, so just ignore that. Goal number 1 was to reach 250k on followers on Instagram, and yeah, I didn't make that. I did not make that. Obviously what happened was at the beginning of the year I started at 100k and I was so blown away. That was a huge milestone for me, like beyond words. And I definitely felt like last year I posted a photo and a video every single day, and I have to say, if you want to grow on any social media platform, there is no secret of success apart from consistency, and it's about posting every single day, or like if you can't do it every day, every other day, just being consistent. Like if you say you're gonna post once a week, do that, like just do that. So although I didn't reach 250k, I could try and blame the algorithm and say that that definitely changed up the game a little bit, because that wasn't the case last year or the year before that. In 2017 there was no algorithm. But instead of that, I'm gonna say that I'm still really grateful that I just hit 180k followers on Instagram, and I want to say a huge like thank you and welcome to those 80,000 people that weren't there before. I'm gonna focus on what I have achieved and not that I didn't make that goal. I know that maybe I could have worked a little bit harder, but in terms of how often I posted, I was really happy with it. And I did slightly slow things down towards the middle of the year because I felt like that just worked better for me in terms of the algorithm. So it's okay It's all good. I'm still so happy, and I am currently working on quality over quantity, so it's all good. It's all good. My second goal was actually to hit 50k on YouTube, which I completely also did not make. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. But yeah, there's a really big reason why, and it's because of the tip that I just explained to you about consistency. I didn't do that. I was not consistent on my YouTube, and I only really have myself to blame, really. So yeah, this year, 2019, it's all going to be about YouTube for me, and I really want to have a strong focus on it. My main platform is Instagram, and I'm not looking at using YouTube as, I don't know, like I'm just looking at like a more creative thing, more something where I can get into it and also slow down the looks, because on Instagram I only have 1 minute to like show a look, and one of the things that I absolutely love doing is teaching, and I love doing masterclasses. I was hoping to introduce that on my YouTube, and maybe it's a really good opportunity for you guys to get to know me a little bit better, and also do things like this, you know, where we kind of like help each other and talk to each other and stuff like that. So yeah, the whole new like YouTube thing I'm really new to, and so I need y'all help, you know. I need you guys to tell me what you want to see. I will produce the content and I will get it out, and my frequency for 2019 for YouTube is going to be to post twice a week. I'm going to try and post every Wednesday and Sunday, but if I do miss those days for any reason, then I'll just post the day after. As long as I'm posting 2 videos a week, I am going to be happy, and I'm going to try my best to do this for you guys, okay? And if I'm not doing it, remind me, because I need to get my together, okay? Next one is do a campaign with a global brand, and I'm so happy to see that there's a chorus around this, and there's also loads that I did. I managed to launch my own lash collaboration with Ardell, which is a global brand, and they are available in the UK and across some other countries where Superdrug stock. And not only that, but I don't know if I can say it yet, but we've actually like had a meeting, and everything's going so well, and it's just insane. Like, it's going from strength to strength, and every single time there's been like a revision period on this collaboration, it's just been incredibly positive. And I just want to say thank you so much to every single person who's like bought a pair of my lashes, and to those who's bought like more than 1 pair of lashes. Like, I actually cannot believe that there's a box with my face on it in hundreds of stores across the country. Like, I still don't believe that, if I'm honest with you guys. I still don't believe it when people are tagging me that they're wearing my products on my lashes. It's very strange. It's gonna take a while to sink in, but I'm really proud of myself, and I'm so like thankful to everyone behind the scenes for this. Another one I did as well in 2018 was T-Zone. I was an ambassador for the T-Zone mask, and I was like in Superdrug stores as well, which was super cool. I also did a campaign with Superdrug for Halloween, so I did a full Halloween look, which was so cool. I absolutely love Superdrug. I feel like 2018 was like, yeah, Superdrug. I love them so much. Thank you so much. Like, I'm so blessed to work with the most amazing brands, like domestic and also global brands out there. It's just so surreal but amazing. And also my final one is Primark. So I was so blown away when I got this opportunity to work with Primark, because it was actually a fashion collaboration, and it was a 3-month collab that we did together, and I absolutely love Primark. I love Primark. I went in there and just putting outfits together, it was just easy. It was just really cool, and I got some really nice pieces. So pieces that I actually wear every day, all the time, that I really like, and they feel comfortable, they're really affordable, and they're amazing. Again, I don't want to be too cheesy, but maybe there's going to be a lot of thank yous. So like, thank you for all those opportunities. Honestly guys, like, it just means the world to me. Another one of my goals was learn how to use Photoshop, and I did. I'm not no like pro or master at all. I'm still learning. I've learned everything myself in terms of like photo retouching, video equipment, camera equipment, settings, lightings, editing softwares, like everything I've learned myself. I don't have anyone like there to guide me, like just everything in terms of like setting up your own business. It's just so overwhelming, guys. So I want there to be an element also on my YouTube channel where where I can help you guys with stuff like this, because I'm definitely not a professional, but hopefully my goal is if I can teach someone one thing or inspire one person a day, then I'm happy. If you have any questions, let me know and I'm sure to try and help and answer them as best as I can. I definitely feel like I have got a good understanding of Photoshop in terms of the ultimate basics about what I want, but one of my goals upcoming, that's a whole nother video, for 2019 is actually to learn how to like retouch skin better and stuff like that. So like very specific. So I just spent a whole year like refining that skill and making it beautiful. Then another goal was to get verified on Instagram. That did not happen. Why? Instagram, why? So I actually don't know why this doesn't happen. Like, it's just not my time yet, guys, but hopefully that time will come. The day that I get that blue tick, literally, I know it doesn't change anything, but it just means something to me. I just want to get verified. I also put down on here, learn more features on Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is the video editing software that I use to edit all my content. You can use Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro or even iMovie. They're all kind of the same, if I'm honest with you. And I really wanted to just learn some more features, which I really have done. And I'm hoping that in 2019, I'm gonna up my level of like editing and quality and stuff like that. Maybe mix it up a little bit, you know, so it's always fresh. You always gotta keep it fresh, you know. Then I've got go on a press trip with a brand, and I have to say that I've been blown away by this year in terms of travel. I've got down here Too Faced in LA, Benefit, we went to Ibiza, and then Sleek, we went to Ibiza, and I've also got Foreo, where I went to Vegas and LA. It was just like, come on, like that is just insane. I still cannot believe. I also went, well, it wasn't really a press trip, but I also went to Brazil to do a masterclass. And just the fact that I get to travel around with my job and meet you guys. I know that so many of you in Brazil came, like some of you even flew from Peru, like to come and see me in Sao Paulo where I was doing my masterclass. And that just means so much. Like, what is going on? Like, what is going on? Yeah, to be able to go on these press trips is so amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. They are such a good opportunity as well to get like really good content. So normally it's like wake up early, put a full beat on, look good, get all those good photos for you guys. So I hope you enjoy all the content whenever I'm away. I want to try and produce as much content as possible for you. Another one of my goals was actually to hit getting 10k likes on each of my posts, and it happened. It actually happened. I think my top liked photo was like 21k, which is so crazy. And I'm not really about stats, but I feel like when you put those, like, what's it called? Levels of growth, then you kind of feel like you're getting somewhere. Because now when I look back at like the beginning of 2017, I'm like, oh my god, like my goal was to hit like 100k. So it's like really interesting to look back on it. So I'm definitely not like a numbers kind of guy at all. If anything, I'm more shapes, but it's good to sometimes set yourself goals. And also I just have to shout out one person who tagged me and sent me their goals and said that I really inspired them to write out all their goals, and they sent me all of their goals, and it was so nice, and they were similar to like the things that I kind of talk about. And you guys mentioned that, you know, you want to hit this many followers and this many likes, and you want to really focus on this, and it was so nice. I was just like, oh my god, that's just like me. Like, set yourself goals, guys, because it really helps. All right, another one was to do 2 masterclasses, and I actually did 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 masterclasses, unless I'm forgetting one. But I did a Urban Decay masterclass launching the Cherry palette, which was such a dream. Like, I love Urban Decay. The Cherry palette was just stunning. Like, it was so beautiful, right up my street, and I absolutely love the content that I created using that palette. I just love it. I actually feel like that's some of my best work, so I'm really proud about that. Then we also had the Krylon. I was at IMATS last year in 2018, and yeah, I used to go to IMATS all the time, and now to be there and be on the stage was kind of crazy. I was on stage, mic'd up, TVs everywhere. I remember it was when the royal wedding was, and it was a beautiful sunny day, and I was there with Krylon doing what I love on stage. It's just so crazy. Like, I still can't believe I get actually really nervous when I do stuff like this, but I got to meet so many of you there, and it was so cool. Yeah, hopefully I'll do some more masterclasses in 2019. Then I also went to Brazil, and I also did the one with Gypsy Shrine. And I have to say, with Gypsy Shrine, they're so cool. I was so nervous about this one, guys, because they are so cool. And I feel like they just come alive and they have beautiful products. And I was able to get very creative. I turned myself into Joker from Batman, and I had so much fun again meeting you guys, and just it was much more intimate, and that was really nice as well. Then I also had, and this is an attitude, guys, don't settle or push for more. So I feel like sometimes you can just be a bit complacent and be like, yeah, but no, like pushing for more. And this is something that I really wanted to incorporate into every single like part of my life. So, you know, like always wanting to go the next step further, maybe working a little bit harder, maybe thinking, okay, well, that's what I need to do, but let me do that plus a little bit more, or let me push for this and let me push for that. Just pushing for more, like a little bit, is such a good way to just like excel yourself. Do you know what I mean? Then I had save money. Very important. Save money. And I have like a few little strategies that I incorporate into my everyday life, or like my month to month, which really helps me budget things and like save money. So if you want me to do a video on that, it's kind of like not what my channel is about, if I'm honest with you, but I am a geek. So if you want to know more about that, just let me know in the comments and I will do a video on like how to save money if you want, but that's not really about beauty or makeup. But then it was go on a tropical getaway trip. That didn't happen. I didn't really have many holidays this year. I did go away a lot, and I went on an amazing holiday with my friends, but I wanted to go to a tropical place, maybe like Bali or Thailand or something like that, like really like paradise. But I have to say, I just arrived back from Tenerife and it was pretty tropical there, so I'm gonna say that I did that. Like, it was beautiful. It's a nice place that was really hot, and me and my boyfriend went there to celebrate New Year's, and that's the first time I've ever done that. I've never spent New Year's away from my family, so yeah, that was good. That was good fun. I'm gonna say maybe that one did count. It's not a tropical place, but we can do it this year, right? And then my last one was have a once in a lifetime experience, which I'm not sure if I did. I'm not sure. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I achieved that one. I have not crossed that one off. I was thinking about, I think, you know what the problem is? I wasn't specific enough. Like what? What do I want to do? Do you know what I mean? Like, does that mean jump off a plane? Bungee jump? Does that mean, maybe I was thinking like go on a helicopter ride? Do you know what I mean? Like something really cool that's like, wow. But I don't know. Alright guys, so that comes to the end of my goals for 2018. I ticked off I ticked off 10. I'm pretty happy with that, I'm not gonna lie. I am currently in the final stages of writing my goals for 2019. So in this space and in this mindset, let me know what were your goals, or what are your goals for this year? Were there any goals that you achieved last year which you were like, yes, I did that? Are there any goals that you think that I should definitely add to mine for this year? And yeah, let me know. Let's start a conversation, let's chat, let's get to know each other. Anyway, that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. It's been a little bit more of a get to know me kind of video and just chatting. I was just really in a chatty mood, even though I have no makeup on, but oh well. This is me, guys, and until next time, I'll see you soon, and big love. See you later, guys. Bye.